This is the Emer Skin Refit Eye, and it's formulated with luxuriously nourishing amino acids and vitamins, supercharged with peptides and titanium dioxide and silica. Some of the long-term and short-term benefits are effectively lightening dark circles and restoring skin tone and elasticity around the eyes. The Refit Eye is a concentrated, creamy serum, yet delicate enough for the sensitive skin around the eyes. Refit Eye was designed to significantly reduce the appearance of puffiness and fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. The Refit Eye is a great product to have in your post-care regimen if you're healing from lasers, plasma pen, or even an upper bleph for the incision lines. We like the Refit Eye because not only does it have the peptides and vitamins for younger, smoother looking skin around the eyes, it also has the silica and titanium dioxide to help reduce the appearance of dark circles. The Refit Eye is best paired with a full face regimen, including the Refit Face. And if you're looking for additional brightening and tightening around the eyes, Restore C has the Pro Line Blur, which is amazing, and the Pro Firming Serum, which will optimize your benefits. In Dr. Emer's personal skincare regimen, he uses the Refit Eye both morning and PM. You need a half a pump and that'll carry you periocular, and he does use it every single day, and he uses it in combination with a full line of his products, which you can find on our website. I use the Refit Eye in my PM regimen so that when I am asleep and my eyes are resting, all of those peptides and amino acids can do all of their work, and I can wake up having brighter, smoother, tighter eyes.